Welcome back. Well, let's get straight to our favorite segment, D Street Chatter. Nimesh joins us to fill us in with what's going on in the daily rooms. Well, Nimesh, a bit of a down day, but primarily because of the big boy, HDFC Bank.
Largely, yes, Nigel. It's the large caps which is dragging the markets down. But the bigger problem is, I said this yesterday as well, that there is selling pressure from larger FIs. So for the second day running, I understand there is a very large sell basket at leading FI desk. It was the case yesterday as well across Nifty names, and that seems to be the case today as well. From a sector point of view, the big sector of the day is clearly chemicals on the downside. Big drawdowns in the chemical names today on the back of that Aarti, putting out a bit of a muted guidance, and that led to a bit of selling pressure or maybe profit booking in most of the chemical stocks today. But that's generally the case for a lot of the PSU names as well, that there is a bit of profit booking now across the PSU basket as well. I guess from a technical point of view, while at the current levels of 24,150 is a crucial support, but on the way down, the next big support level will be 23,500. So that's the level from a technical point of view. But I guess the last 2 days of underperformance in the market is dragged by the fact that there is selling pressure from larger FIs in the Nifty names.
And what have you picked up on individual stocks, Nimesh?
Well, so the first name is Sundaram Fasteners. The stock has recovered from the day's low. There is a block in the morning trade, in the pre-open. Nearly 1.5% equity got changed hands. I understand the promoter entity was a seller and a leading long only fund was a buyer. So again, disclosures could be quite interesting in Sundaram Fasteners. The second stock is Strides Pharma. Weak market that is relatively outperforming, up 4% last I checked. Good volumes as well. Largely this outperformance is on back of delivery-based buying at a leading FI desk. So looks like some FI interest is back in this particular name. The third, a couple of metal stocks, both Hindalco and Tata Steel, both are under pressure, but largely because there are price limit sell orders at a leading FI desk. So it's again part of the big basket, which includes these metal names as well. And the last is AB Capital. The stock has relatively underperformed since the Q1 earnings. It was pretty much on muted lines, but now the street is anticipating a large block deal as well. So a bit of depth has been talked about, and the street is anticipating a large block in AB Capital soon.
Thank you very much for that. Vodafone Idea is under pressure for the second day in a row. They reported numbers yesterday. The losses come down on a quarter-on-quarter basis.